Welcome to the Man Style Decree. This channel is your go-to style compass for navigating life after 40, because aging is inevitable, but looking old, that's optional. Today we're exposing 12 summer style mistakes that can secretly add 10 years to your look. Watch till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the Man Style Decree. Thick denim, heavyweight cotton, or dense polyester might be fine in winter, but under the summer sun, they'll trap heat and drain your energy. And worse, make you look uncomfortable and dated. A sweaty, wrinkled shirt clinging to your back does nothing to flatter you. Instead, switch to lightweight linen or cotton blends that breathe, move, and fall better on the body. These fabrics show that you understand seasonal transitions and value both style and comfort. The texture alone can elevate your appearance from hot mess to summer classic sharp. Too many dark colors. Black absorbs heat, and while it might look slimming, a full dark outfit in summer feels heavy, unapproachable, and worst of all, sweaty. Summer is the perfect excuse to embrace lighter tones like stone, light blue, dusty green, or even soft yellow. These colors project confidence and maturity when worn right, and they instantly brighten your appearance. Avoid the funeral look under 30 degrees Celsius sun. Trade the dark palette for refined, earthy tones that breathe and reflect light, not age. Three, socks with sandals. Wearing socks with sandals is the fastest way to look like you've given up on style. Yes, comfort matters, but presentation does too. Sandals are meant to let your feet breathe. Adding socks ruins both the look and purpose. Instead, choose leather or minimalistic strap sandals and keep your feet groomed. If you prefer coverage, go for espadrilles or slip-on canvas shoes. Keep it breathable and sleek and without screaming, "Retirement home on vacation." Fourth, oversized t-shirts that swallow your frame. That XXL tee from your college days isn't relaxed fit. It's lazy. A shirt that drapes like a curtain will make your body disappear and age you instantly. After 40, your clothes should enhance, not hide, your shape. Go for tees that hit mid-bicep, taper slightly at the waist, and fall just below your belt line. Think fitted, not tight. Choose clean colors or subtle patterns for a sharp but effortless summer vibe. Five, old athletic shorts. Outside the gym, mesh basketball shorts and neon logos don't belong outside a workout, yet many guys throw them on for errands or casual days. The result? You look unkempt and outdated. Instead, upgrade to tailored shorts. 7 to 9 inch inseams, structured waistband, and neutral tones. These still provide comfort, but signal maturity. Pair them with polos, linen shirts, or casual button-downs. and you'll look miles ahead of the crowd. Six, too many accessories. Wearing 5 bracelets, a fedora, rings on every finger, and loud sunglasses might sound stylish. But to the outside world, it looks like a fashion crisis. After 40, simplicity is key. One bold watch, a clean pair of sunglasses, and maybe a subtle leather bracelet. That's all you need. Accessories should complement, not compete. Keep it focused, refined, and functional. Seven, wearing dress shoes with casual outfits. You're in shorts and a polo, but then you throw on heavy brown Oxfords? That's a style mismatch that screams confusion. Formal dress shoes in a casual summer setting feel forced and outdated. They make you look like you're clinging to an office wardrobe in a beach town. Instead, lean into the vibe with slip-ons, espadrilles, or clean white sneakers. These options are sleek, modern, and still offer structure, but without the heaviness. The right shoes ground your outfit and elevate the whole look without trying too hard. Eight, not rolling sleeves or pants properly. That sloppily bunched sleeve or messy cuff, it looks like you got dressed in the dark. Rolling sleeves or pant legs properly gives your look intention. A tight mid-bicep roll adds structure to short-sleeve shirts. A clean ankle cuff on chinos shows off your shoes and adds a breezy, tailored edge. Perfect for summer. The difference between lazy and effortless often comes down to a clean fold. Nine, wearing the same shirt for every occasion. If you're wearing that same short-sleeve plaid shirt to barbecues, date nights, and vacations, it's time to rotate. Over-relying on one safe shirt makes you look stuck in time. Instead, build a small rotation of versatile summer pieces: linen button-downs, Henleys, polos, and camp collar shirts. This gives you flexibility and always keeps your style feeling fresh, modern, and situationally appropriate. Ten, forgetting to tailor casual clothes. Tailoring isn't just for suits. Your summer casual wardrobe needs adjustments too. Off-the-rack shirts that puff at the waist or shorts that are too long will add visual weight and age. Tailoring your polos, tees, and shorts creates a neater silhouette, making you look slimmer, sharper, and more confident. Even adjusting a hem by an inch can transform your whole outfit. 11. Neglecting grooming in hot weather, sweat, and sun can destroy a good outfit if your grooming isn't on point. Summer heat amplifies everything. Oily skin, messy hair, sweat marks. You don't need a salon visit, but a clean haircut, regular trims, facial care, and even body grooming matter. They complete your summer style and give that polished, intentional look. No amount of linen shirts can save a greasy forehead. 12th, wearing faded, worn-out colors. That once bold blue shirt has faded into a sad, dull gray. Worn-out colors, especially in summer sunlight, make you look tired, older, and less intentional. Vibrant color doesn't mean neon. It means fresh, clean tones like coral, sage, or crisp white that still pop. Ditch sun-faded and washed-out pieces. Invest in summer colors that stay rich after a few washes. Your outfit should reflect energy and maturity, not look like it's been through 5 barbecues too many. Looking your best in summer isn't about being trendy, it's about being timeless. Fix these small mistakes and you'll look 10 years sharper. Subscribe to the Man Style Decree for more effortless style wisdom.